good morning, good morning. Malamig na ang simoy ng hangin. It's Merry Christmas everyone. And now I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my Starbucks planner. So, how did I get this? So, first, I collected nag-collect ako ng 17 total stickers para ma-avail ko to. So, yun. So, it took me like 3 weeks para gather ako ng 17 stickers. So, meaning I have to drink 17 Starbucks Americano every day para makuha ko tong beautiful planners from Starbucks. My favorite coffee in the world. Charan! So, here you go. Let's do unboxing. Unboxing. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Look at this. Look how pretty. Look at the logo. Oh, ganda. Ayun guys. So look at that. Oh, okay. Nag-gets ko na. Mayroon siyang parang sariling pouch, parang bag. Oh, how beautiful. Di ba? Akala ko ano lang. Kaingon ako ba nga. Kini lang siya, pero naalay sa sariling, niya, parang bag, clutch bag. Oh, slowly, it's getting so exciting. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, so beautiful. So, I got my Starbucks planner ready for my 2025. I hope this will bring luck to my, whole 2025 life. Sana nga magbigay ito ng swerte sa buhay ko sa year 2025. Oh, look at that. Mayroon pa sariling ballpen and it's gold. Oh, gold talaga. Pwede ba ito masangla? Ganda. Oh my God. Hindi ko ito na-expect na ganito ka-pretty ang aking 2025 planners. Mayroon din siyang 2026 year advanced calendar. Ganda. Look at that. So how? Oh my God. So pretty. Ganda. I love it. 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 Thank you Starbucks for my 2025 planner. And with this very pretty wallet bag. Oh my God, mayroon palang ganito. Buti nga hindi ko kinuha yung tumbler. Ito na lang talaga, no? Ito lang, oh, ganda, no? Ito lang ay sapat na. Thank you guys for watching and I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas and a happy and blessed 2025 New Year. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.